Hi, this is Jared from Snapz eLearning. One of the best features of Snapz QuizBuilder is its thorough solutions for each question. Each solution has been carefully checked by Snapz, ensuring accuracy and saving you from having to write and check them yourself. In this video, I'll guide you through building a quiz and then printing its step-by-step solutions. Let's begin by creating a random 5-question quiz from Article 210. Now, let's print the solutions. Click the Print button, then choose Solutions from the drop-down menu. Scroll through the printout to see each question and its detailed solution, complete with code references, notes, and calculation steps. That's it. You've now printed the detailed solutions to a 5-question quiz from Article 210. It was quick, simple, and done in minutes. For questions, callbacks, or to schedule a demo, please visit snapz.com. Thanks for watching.